Greek girls, and then very African technical school. Because of our life issues, contestants, if it's a bonus and you're going for it, you hit the table. Okay. Those depend on how the good period. Okay. So let me hear your knock. St. John's. Alright, here we go. Okay, very effective. Alright, so you're going for bonus, you know. Okay, you know. Thank you very much. I think for the one for the time, we will skip every other thing. Our first round of the contest. Audience, please, because of the light issues, let's be silent so that we can hear our contestants. Okay. Our first statement have been answered in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And I'll begin with St. John's School. St. John's, list a set of prime numbers between 20 and 30. Yeah, go ahead.
29.
Yes. Here we go. List the set of prime numbers between 30 and 40. Okay. That is correct. Unless I read so that I can call you. That is correct. Here are 6. List a set of prime numbers between 60 and 70. Go ahead.
61 and 67.
Yes. Next set. 30 seconds. Daniel, find the coordinate of the point which divides the line that joins -1, 7 and 4, 3 in the ratio 2:3. Yeah, go ahead.
5, 7. You have the bonus. 1.
No, for bonus. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, not for the bonus. Alright, so you don't change answers, please. You give me the one that you are saying. Then you don't change answers. Okay. It's not correct. Here we go. Find the midpoint of the line interval AB given when A with coordinates 1, 2, and then B 7, 2. Go ahead. Yes. So find the point B if C coordinates 3, 6 is the midpoint of the line interval AB and A has coordinates -1, 1. Yeah, you may go ahead. Let me hear you. Yes, that is correct. And then, your answer is 1, 3. 1, 3. Next set, 10 seconds. A preamble to all 3 schools. The preamble. State the type of fertilization and birth of the following vertebrates. State the type of fertilization and birth of the following vertebrates. Then John, bony fishes. Go ahead.
External fertilization. Ovoviviparous.
They are
Ovoviviparous.
2. Abrigals, birds. Go ahead.
Internal fertilization and oviparity.
And
Internal fertilization and oviparity, other oviparity.
yes. Yes. Mammals. Go ahead. Two. So they are viviparous, not ovi. Yours they are oviparous, not ovi. Oviparous. Okay. Next set, they are counted in 10 seconds. And John, name the bond formed between the phosphate group and the pentose sugar. Go ahead. Yes. Yes. Here we go. Differentiate between the nucleotide and the nucleoside. Go ahead. Yes.
The nucleotide is composed of the nitrogen base, the phosphate group, and the pentose sugar. The nucleoside only consists of the pentose sugar and the nitrogen base.
Yes. The difference. So if one part is correct, and DNA ligase. Yes, go ahead. No, for bonus. Alright, so it joins short nucleotide chain, that's the Okazaki fragments, to form the DNA molecule. It joins the Okazaki fragments to join the DNA molecules. Okay. Next set we are tempted in in 10 seconds. Alright, 30 seconds. Okay. Preamble. Give the mass number, atomic number, and the name of the element formed from the following transmutations. Give the mass number, atomic number, and the name of the element formed from the following transmutation. St. John's. Uranium-238 is bombarded with a neutron. Yes, you can go ahead.
So the mass number is 238, and the new atomic number is 92, and the element formed thorium.
No, for bonus.
Yes.
The mass number is 239, and the atomic number is 92, and the name is uranium.
No, not for a bonus. Okay, let me hold on to the answer. If it's a major, I'll give you one. Abrigals. Americium-241 is bombarded with an alpha particle. You can go ahead.
So the mass number is 250. The atomic number is 97. The name of the element formed is berkelium.
2. The mass is 243. 243. Okay. Yes, your major. Californium-249 reacts with an isotope of oxygen. That's O18. You can go ahead, round it up.
Okay. The mass number is 267 and the atomic number is 104. And the name of the element is
No, for bonus. Alright, so the mass number is 263, atomic number 106, and then it is Siborgium. And then the one you went for the bonus, that was for ABUGISS, it was for you, right? So it is, the mass is 239. Okay, the atomic number is 93, and it's Neptunium. Okay. Next set to be attempted in 30 seconds. St. John's, how much of a compound of molar mass 84 would be dissolved in 50.0 cm³ of water to give a 0.20 molar solution? You can go ahead.
0.84 grams.
That is correct. ABUGISS, what mass of a compound with molar mass 120 must be dissolved in 100 cm³ to give 0.20 molar solution? You can go ahead.
2.4 grams.
That is correct. Yes. What mass of a compound with molar mass 60.0 gram per mole must be dissolved in 50.0 cm³ to give 0.20 molar solution? You can go ahead.
0.605.
That is correct. Next set, 30 seconds. St. John's, water of mass 1.5 kilograms is heated from 20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Calculate the amount of heat absorbed. Take specific heat capacity of water be 4,200 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. You can go ahead.
315 kilojoules.
No, for bonus. Come again.
315 kilojoules.
That is correct. ABUGISS, water of mass 300 grams at 10 degrees Celsius is mixed with 200 grams of water at 80 degrees Celsius. Calculate the temperature of the mixture. Go ahead, St. John's School.
38 degrees Celsius.
That is correct. Yes. A body of mass 4 kilograms absorbs 2.0 times 10 to the power 5 joules of heat. If its temperature is raised by 25 Kelvin, calculate the specific heat capacity of the body. You can go ahead.
2 by 10 is 3 into kilogram is negative 1. Kelvin is negative 1.
That is correct. Next set. Last set for the round. 10 seconds each. 10 seconds each. St. John's School. Which travels faster in glass? Which travels faster in glass? Red, green, or blue light? Go ahead.
Blue light.
Yes. Every girls. If a light ray does not undergo refraction at a boundary between two media, what is its angle of incidence? Go ahead.
90 degrees.
For bonus? Yeah, go ahead.
0 degrees.
Yes, 0 degrees. Yes. Colors which form white when mixed together are called You can go ahead. Come again. That is correct. And that ends. Maybe do or maybe not. I've gone on finish on that. Okay. At the end of the first round, here are the scores. Every girls, 14 points. So let's make that together. Here 16 points. St. John 17 points. Contestants, please make sure you speak audibly, okay? And it's not just you who is listening, so that the audience can also hear what you are saying. Alright, so speak audibly. Alright, audience, let's try and cheer them up. Let's cheer them up, okay? It's not easy to be on this platform. It's not easy at all. Round 2 is the speed round, and you are familiar with the rules of this round. And so we will skip all protocols, okay, and then go straight to our first set of speed questions. You know we are hitting, okay. My score masters and mistress, please help me identify who knocks first. So let me hear your knock in St. John's School. Three girls, and then KSPS. Please, you hit, okay? You hit so that I can hear you. Hit. I beg you, okay? So that I can hear you. So that we can. So, but don't be hitting, please. You hit that we know that each name a few, we know that you've run. Okay. Then we look at you. Alright. Thank you very much. So please help me. First speed. A painter can paint a room in 10 hours. With the help of an assistant, the two can paint the room in 6 hours. If the assistant works alone, how long? St. John, go ahead.
15 hours.
That is correct. Next one. Factorize completely. 6x squared plus xy minus 15y squared. Yes, I saw you. Go ahead.
We have two expressions.
Go ahead.
In the first expression, we have in the first expression.
Okay, St. John's School, go ahead.
We will have one expression, 2x minus 3, multiplying another expression, 2x plus 5.
No, go ahead. Every girls.
In one bracket, x plus 5y. And another bracket, 2x minus 1.
No, ma'am. So I have here the expression 3x plus 5y multiplying the expression 2x minus 3y. Next speed, 30 seconds. At a concert, two kinds of tickets were sold. The cheaper ticket cost 10.00 Ghana cedis. 200 tickets are sold altogether. The total receipt was 2,000.00 Ghana cedis. If 50 expensive tickets were sold, find the cost of an expensive ticket. So it is 30.00 Ghana cedis. Alright, next one. 10 seconds for these sets. Who established that the nucleus was responsible for storing and transmitting hereditary character? 10 seconds. Yes, go ahead. No, sir. It is Hickel Ernest. Next one. What is the major importance of fungi in the... Yes.
They serve as decomposers in the...
No, sir. Yes.
They have a large surface area which helps in the absorption of nutrients from the soil.
No, ma'am. In the pharmaceutical industry. So they are used as antibiotics. Next one. Why is the foot of a moss plant well embedded in the tissue of the gametophyte? So this is to ensure nutrients are made available to the sporophyte for proper development, since it is not photosynthetic. Alright, next set, 10 seconds. I think 30 seconds for this set. What is the sum of the coefficients of the reactants and products in the reaction between aluminum sulfate and iron 3 nitrate? KSTS, go ahead. No, it is 10. 10. Next one. Why is graphite soft? You, and you. Yes, go ahead.
This is because its hexagonal rings are the bonds between its hexagonal rings are weak van der Waals forces, so this makes them slip over each other and also makes them a source of lubricant.
I will take it. Next one. A salt of molar mass of 100 gram per mole forms a trihydrate when it crystallizes out of water. Calculate the percentage increase in molar mass when the anhydrous salt becomes hydrated. Go ahead.
So we have 51%.
No, you also run the big girls.
26%.
No, ma'am. So we have 54%. 54%. Last set for the round. 30 seconds for the first one. A 2 ohm resistor is connected in series with a 4 ohm resistor and a 6 volt battery. Calculate the voltage across the 2 ohm. Yeah, go ahead. Yes, that is correct. This one is 10 seconds. What is the thermometric property used in a constant irregulars? Come again? Yes. Last one for this round. When the brakes are applied, a car decelerates uniformly at 11 meters per second squared. If the car is traveling at 33 meters per second, when the brakes are applied, how far does the car travel before the car stops? So it is 49.5 meters. And that ends round 2. At the end of the second round, the scores stands like this. Every girl 14 points, KSTS 16 points, St. John's School 20 points. Round 3 will be our problem of the day. And so we are duplicating the question so that we can get it for all of you. Okay. So relax for about 30 seconds. So our POD in mathematics. So let's remember our sheet and then read together. So by expansion, or by expanding, the expression x plus 1 on x all to the power 2 shows that x squared plus 1 on x equals the expression x plus 1 on x all squared minus 2. Hence, solve the equation 3 multiplying the expression x squared plus 1 on x squared, okay, close the bracket, minus 16 multiplying the expression x plus 1 on x. That expression plus 26 equals 0. Contestants, you may start with 4 minutes. Acceptance, please hold on, okay? So please alter this, okay? Show that x squared plus 1 on x. That 1 on x, make it 1 on x squared. Okay. Is that okay? So that is it. Thank you. You can continue. That is. Just at a second. Yes. Stop. Wait. Put your pen down. So we have the POD's name and we will go ahead with the round 4, the true or false. You know the rules here already, so we proceed to the first set of statements for this round. I'll begin with every girl. Every girl. I'll begin with you. Alright, so your statement. CO2 contains polar bonds, yet the molecule is not polar. Go ahead. Yes, it's true. KSTS. SO2 or SO2 molecule, just like CO2 molecule, is linear. Go ahead. Yes, it's false. Attention. The shape of NH3 molecules is a kind of pyramid. Go ahead. Yes, it's true. Every girl. Whereas ethanol can be oxidized, ethane cannot be oxidized. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, false. Yes. When alkanoic acids are tested with NaHCO3, the effervescence is due to the decomposition of the acids. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, it's false. St. John. Tertiary alkanols cannot be oxidized with acidified Na2Cl2O7. Go ahead.
True.
Yes, it's true. Avery. Trachate is a component of the phloem. Go ahead. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, it's false. KSPS. The pith is present in the monocot root, but not in the dicot root. Go ahead. Yes, it's true. St. John. The endodermis is more visible in the stem than in the root. Go ahead.
True.
No, sir, it's a false statement. Agree? Dendrochronology. Dendrochronology, okay, is a process of determining the age of a tree or wood by counting the number of annual growth rings. Yes, it's true. Yes. The bark of a tree consists of primary phloem. Go ahead. Yes, it's false. St. John. In angiosperms, most dicots undergo primary growth, while secondary growth does not occur in most monocots. You may go ahead. No, sir, it's a false statement. Next set, every girls. The weight of a freely falling object equals its weight when it is at rest. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, it's false. Yes. The weight of an astronaut in a rocket accelerating upward from the surface of the Earth is greater than her weight in orbit. You may go ahead, yes. Yes, it's true. St. John. Two objects with same mass can have different weights.
True.
Yes, it's true. Agree? An adiabatic process occurs when no heat exchange, or occurs with no heat exchange. Sorry. Go ahead. Yes, it's true. Yes. An isothermal process is always adiabatic. You can go ahead. Yes, it's false. You try and then speak so that I can hear you, okay? Then Jones. No work is done in an isochoric process. Go ahead. Yes, it's true. Next set. A regular pentagon has a center of symmetry. You can go ahead. It's a false statement. Yes. A rhombus has two axes of symmetry. You can go ahead. a true statement. St. John's, a kite has a fixed center of gravity. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, it's false. Last set for the round. The expression x plus a squared, all squared, x plus a all squared, equals x squared plus ax plus a squared. Yes, it's false. Yes. Log of the expression a plus b equals log a plus log b. You can go ahead. Yes, it's false. Last statement goes to St. John's. A to the power the expression x plus y equals x squared plus b. Equals a to the power x plus. Equals a to the power x times b to the power y.
False.
No, sir, it's a true statement. Forgive me for that. And that ends the round. You can give it up to the contest. At the end of the POD, here are the scores. Every girl wanted to get 5. St. John's School had 8. KSTS had 9. And add that Alright. I'll send it. Alright, from our consultants, the last true or false statement to St. John's. I gave you a to the power the expression x plus y should be equal to a to the power x times b to the power y. Okay, and then from our consultants, it is a false statement. To be true when the babies are the same. Okay. And that brings us to the end of round 4. I think we can give it up for a second. So at the end of round 3 and 4 all combined, here are the scores. Every girl was 32 points. St. John's School and KST 38 points. Round 4 will decide the contest for us. Round 5 is a round of riddles, and you are familiar with the riddles. Okay? And so we'll quickly move on to the first riddle of the day. You are familiar with the rules of the round. Okay. There is the card. First riddle. My name suggests I am an immovable property. You will always find me at the top of the hill or the bottom of the valley. You can go ahead.
Stationary point.
That is correct. On the second clue. 4 points. 4 points on the second clue. Next riddle. I am a flowering plant. I am a diverse and widespread group of flowering plants with blooms that are often colorful. Yes, go ahead. No, sir. Colorful and fragrant. I belong to one of the two largest families of flowering plants. I am a perennial head that lacks any permanent woody structure. If I belong to the family Orchidaceae, then who am I? Yes, you before you. Go ahead.
Mangoes.
No, sir. Yes. Wow. Orchidaceae, some orchids. Okay, orchids. Next one. I am a fundamental force of nature, even though I have a very small constant. Yes? That is correct on the second. Last riddle for the round. We are two closely related words. This can be seen even with the meanings of our names in Greek, which is up and down. Did you ring? You rang. Okay, go ahead. No, sir. Anybody rang? Okay. The difference between us has to do with having one particle more than the other. Yes?
Part.
No. More than the other in us. We are particles with net electrical charge. While one of us is positive, the other is negative. The examples of the up is Na plus and the down is Cl minus. Then we are who? I can't call you. Yeah, go ahead. The same answer again. Yeah, go ahead. No, please. What I have here is cations and anions. That's what I have here. Say we. And that ends the round and ends the contest. Let's do that. So at the end of the contest, here are the scores. Abrika on 32 points. KSPS 38 points. St. John's 46 points.